The new industries of Europe led to fresh demands for raw materials. With the abolition of slate duty came an explosion in production and a demand for local craftsmen to skillfully split and shape the material. In a few short years, a landscape that had endured for millennia was transformed as first water and then steam helped send Snowdonia's goods across the world. At Nantgwrtheuyn, an isolated community found itself at the heart of a boom in granite. For more than 50 years, this place, connected to the outside world by a lone jetty, supplied the world's engineers and stonemasons with a valuable commodity. Alongside a revived interest in copper and lead mining, in 1862, Gwynedd experienced its very own gold rush with the discovery of a seam at Cefn Coch. The gold here had a reddish tinge reflecting the other minerals in the local rocks. It was tough work, with thousands of tons of ore yielding just 600 ounces in 3 back-breaking years. The Industrial Revolution affected every corner of Welsh society. But for all the hardship it brought, it was also an age of enlightenment and great advances which still endure today. Following demands for wider education, the University of Bangor opened its doors in 1885, funded by subscriptions from local quarrymen. Renowned engineers like Thomas Telford and Robert Stevenson spearheaded great innovation in road and rail.